Okay, so on this one, they're giving us a table. So this is all about functions. They're giving us this table. And notice they're telling us certain x values that go with certain f of x values. So in other words, if x, 0, 14 means is if x is 0, then f of x is 14. It's kind of like an input and an output. So this function, the way it works, is if you put in a 0, you get out of 14. If you put in a 1, you get out of 100. If you put in a 2, you get out an 80, etc. So it's inputs and outputs for this function. Now remember how function notation works. It's x inside, y outside, or input, output, kind of like a toaster, right? You put bread in, you get toast out. Frozen waffles in, toasted waffles out. X in, Y out. That's what we're saying with function notation. Okay, so according to this function, when we put 2 inside, when X is 2, what comes out? Well, on my table, it's that one. It'd be 80, right? When 2 goes in, 80 comes out. That's what the table says right there. When x is 2, f of x, what comes out, is 80. Okay. Well, how about the next part here? F of x equals 1, meaning what is the x, what goes in, what's the input that gives you an output of 1? You see it right here? Right? This is the x, and this is the f of x. As it says, x on the top, then f of x. So the x is 7. The x is 7 that gives you an output of 1. That's what it says. Put in a 7, get out a 1. So we're just reading function values, x values, and then what comes out of the function off the table. The table's telling us.